Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to solve the most common error in Sketchware. First, create a new project and add the Firebase database in it. To use Firebase database, we need to use Firebase login. So here I will make a simple login activity. I am adding one edit text for email address and one edit text for password. Add the Firebase authentication component and an intent component. On button 1 click event, sign in into Firebase with edit text 1 and edit text 2. Inside on sign up success event, if success, then intent set to home activity. Inside home activity, I am adding one edit text, one button and one text view to show uploading and downloading of data from Firebase database. On button click, I will create a map. Here on button click, I am uploading the map to Firebase database. It has a key with name text and a value of edit text 1. Now inside on child added event, I will get that uploaded key from Firebase database to the text view. Now this is the first test. I will first log in the Firebase database. Now I will upload a text to Firebase database. You can see it is getting the value of edit text to the below text view from Firebase database. It is uploading and downloading data correctly. Now I will show you why that error occurs. So now I am adding one more value, adding one more edit text and one more text view. On the button click, I will add one more key with the name text2 and value edit text2. And inside on child added event, I will copy this simply for getting the text2 value to text view 2. Now let's test it again. Sign in with same email address and password, and right after I sign up, the app will crash, and now that error will occur. As you can see here, that same error occurred. It says Java object to string on a null object reference. This is the most common error that always comes in Firebase related Sketchware apps. Now this error happened because first time we added only text view 1 and second time we added text view 1 with text view 2. So like that, it Firebase have one text view 1 data and second time it has text view 1 and text view 2 data. But here we are asking text view 1 and text view 2 data, but first time we didn't add a text view 2. So here it is asking text view 2 data, but there is no text view 2 data on the database. That's why it will get error. So it's a simple solution that you should use if then block. If map contains key text view 1, then show text view 1 to text view, else nothing. Same for the text view too. So like this, it will first ask to the database that it contains text view 1 value or not. If it contains, then only it will ask, else it will not ask. Now let's check that our solution works or not. Last time the app crashed right after I logged in. Now this time I log in and it will not crash. See here, it is showing text view 1 data which we uploaded for the first time, but it does not contain text view 2 data, so it will not show any data here. It will just show text view 2. Like this the app will not crash. Now I am adding both text view 1 and text view 2. Now you can see both are getting data from database. So this is how you should solve the problem. I hope you understand the reason of that error and how to solve it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.